Congress government, our party president, and so many other parties as well have actually said that immediately after this happened. In fact, a CWC meeting was called immediately the next day, and this is we are together in this against terrorism, and we need to ensure that such kind of incidents don't happen again. Yes, this has happened, but what is your response? What is going to be done? An incident happened 9 years ago as well, 2019. All of us remember Pulwama. But what happened after that? And this is one of the most brutal incidents that has happened in the past 25 years. Indira Gandhi went to war after it. We all remember Bangladesh war, what happened. I think all of us, each and every citizen of our country, irrespective of, class, religion, we are against terrorism. We want the safety of Indians, and I think we need to stand united. People need to stop this, divide and hate and all this communal nonsense that's going around. And I think, I beg and plead media like you as well to hold people responsible, to hold the government responsible, because I think if this could happen right now, tomorrow it could be us. Tomorrow it could be our sister. Tomorrow it could be our brother. We don't want such things to happen again. And I think, this hate needs to stop. Sarva Jananga Shantiya Tota anta helidru. And I think we need to ensure that this continues. And this is what the Congress party stands for. And we want safety of all Indians and such incidents not to happen ever again.